Hi, my name is Mindaugas. I'm with Satas Computer Services. I got one laptop to fix. Let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, it's a nice gateway laptop, and owner says it doesn't turn on. Let's check it out. This is power button. Let's turn power supply, plug in power supply. It doesn't turn on. Let's check if we have any voltage on the power jack. Yes, we got 19 volts. That's great. Okay, usually the power socket in laptops, if they used hard, they broke. Let's check it out. Let's keep power button pushed down and try to move this jack a little bit this and that way. Here we go. Okay, so the contact was, and here we go, computer boots up and shuts down. So probably everything is okay with computer. The first problem we need to fix, we need to change the power socket. That's what we're gonna do right now. After unscrewing tons of screws, we got this pile of computer parts. Here's a DVD drive, a hard drive, computer, other parts, keyboard, top of computer, and finally display. Everything is apart. You need to take everything apart to get access to power socket. And now finally we got access to power socket. Here is the power socket that supposedly it's broken. I got recently in my mail replacement power socket. Let's see, it's identical with the existing one. It seems the same, right? Let's see if it fits. Now I'm gonna go and resolder, take off the old one and replace with a new power socket. After soldering power socket, let's see, is it work now? Let's plug in power and push the start button. Here we go. It's alive again. Let's try to check if I move the jack, power stays on. Seems like this was the problem and we fixed it. Now what I need to put back everything together and check one time again. Finally I put back laptop together, and now I need to check one more time if the problem is gone. Let's put power jack into the power socket. And let's try to start up the computer, laptop. Let's push the button. Yeah, it's alive again. As you see, laptop boots up, so this problem is gone. Again, my name is Mindaugas. I'm with Satos Computer Services. Thank you for watching and see you again.